Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic poster writing. Posters are public announcement. They work like notice and advertisement. They are decorated on the wall. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about what is the structure of poster writing. Look at the board. What is the structure of poster writing? Structure of poster writing. First of all, you should write word poster in capital with black pen. After it, you should mention slogan. After just slogan, you should mention title. Title of the poster. Capital with black pen. After it, you should make picture. After picture, you should write details, and after details you should mention address in capital with black pen. After it you should make a box. Okay, that is the structure of poster writing. Okay, now I am going to tell you about what is the marking scheme of poster writing. Marking scheme. Format. 1 mark. Content 2 marks, and expression is of 1 mark. Okay, poster will be of 4 mark. If you want to get 4 out of 4, then you should follow these points of poster writing. First of all, you should mention word poster. After it, you should mention slogan. After slogan, you should mention title. After title, you should mention picture. After picture, you should write details, and after details, you should mention address. Okay. You should write word poster in capital with black pen. You should write word title in capital with black pen. You should write address in capital with black pen. Okay. After structure of poster writing, I have told you about marking scheme. Okay. Now I am going to write a question or poster writing, and after question I will make a poster on the particular topic. Look at the board and try to understand all the things in a proper way. This is the question. Draft a poster on save water. Okay. We know the structure. First of all, we should write poster, and after it slogan, title, detail, title, picture, detail, and address. Okay. How to use these points when we draft any poster? First of all, according to the structure, we should mention word poster. Okay, in middle part of the page, in above part of the page, in capital with black pen. Okay, after it you should write slogan. You can leave 2 or 3 lines. You can adjust poster according to your own way. But you should remember one thing, that suppose this is the page. This is the page of your notebook. This is the page of your notebook. It's my suggestion that always try to cover the 80 to 90% part of the page for poster writing, if you really want to get 4 out of 4. Clear? First of all, you should write word poster and after it slogan. You can write any slogan which you want to write, like water is precious. Water is life. Okay. First part poster, second point slogan, and after it title. What is the title? We should write title according to the question. Save water. We should try to write title in capital with black pen, but you should try to write title also in an attractive form. You can draw any box to put title into any style or any kind of box. You can choose any style when you write title of the poster. Okay. After just mention of title, we should draw picture. You can make any picture. You should try to draw a very attractive picture. You can draw any picture. Okay. First, after just mention of title, you should mention a picture. You can make any picture. Okay. After just mention of picture, you should write detail. You never write number when you will write detail. You should make any mark of any design. Okay, I prefer this design. When you will write detail, then you should follow that kind of style which I am going to write. There is a acute shortage of there is an acute shortage of water. Wasting water is a crime against society. Okay. If you want to highlight any special point, then you should write detail in that form. Achieve water security. Achieve water security. Okay. Use less water. Harvest water. Okay. Issued by conserve water society. Reward. After it, you should make a box. Okay. After it, you should make a box. You should make a box with the help of a scale. Okay. First point is poster, second point is slogan, third point is title, fourth point is picture. After picture you should mention details, and after details you should mention address. You can write address in box also. Okay. This is the example of poster writing. You can draw any poster with the help of these points. In today's lecture, I told you about what is the definition of poster, and after it, I told you about what is the structure of poster, and after the structure of poster, I have told you about how to draw a poster. Clear? Okay. If you want to understand it in a better way, you can take screenshot of this. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.